No matter how disciplined you are with backing up your self-custody wallet, some things are just out of your control.
This is fine.
Today, almost every crypto wallet relies on seed phrases, and the vast majority of users still keep those secret words written down on paper. But think about this. Just last year, in 2025, natural disasters destroyed or damaged over 20,000 residential buildings. Wildfires and floods don't just take homes. They wipe out paper seed phrases too. That's why in today's video I'm going to show you a simple but effective way to protect your backup and give yourself some real peace of mind. The Deluxe Titanium Seed Stamping Kit. I'll unbox this new kit from StampSeed and show you exactly how to use it. But before we dive in, a little backstory. I first met James and Adam from StampSeed back at the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami. That conference is always massive. In 2024 we had Donald Trump, and in 2025 JD Vance was there. It's consistently the place where the top voices in the industry gather. And keeping the tradition alive, I'll be at the Bitcoin 2026 conference in Las Vegas. The event will take place at the Venetian from April 27th to 29th. There will be hundreds of speakers and tens of thousands of attendees from all over the globe. And if you want to join the biggest Bitcoin conference in the world and meet me in person, use my discount code CryptoSnake for 10% off all tickets. I'll see you in Las Vegas. Let's start with the unboxing. The StampSeed Deluxe kit comes in a truly premium package. Inside the box, the first thing you'll see is the full set of metal letter and number stamps. You'll get the complete A to Z alphabet plus all numbers. Each stamp has clear side markings for easy identification, along with an indicator line that lines up perfectly with the indicator lines on the stamping guide. This makes alignment simple and consistent. Next is the iconic StampSeed hammer. This is a patented hammer with a brass tip designed to absorb shock and reduce bounce back. It has an ergonomic handle and a 2-pound weight and head, which helps create deep, clean impressions with very little effort. I've tried stamping with a regular hammer before, and the difference is night and day. This hammer is a serious tool for stamping. Even Michael Saylor has tested it. The kit also includes stamping instructions, which are straightforward and easy to follow. In my kit, I have two 12-word titanium seed plates. StampSeed also offers 24-word plates and even Shamir backup options. On their website, you can also find plates with different designs. For example, you can get a plate designed by me, the Stack Sets plate. We featured it in my MusicSnake video Stack Sets. I'll leave the link to that music video in the description. And just a quick note, when you purchase StampSeed plates or kits, make sure to use my discount code CryptoSnake for 15% off. That's the best discount available on all StampSeed products. Let's keep going. Next in the box is the stamping guide. This is another patented tool that holds your plate firmly in place and ensures accurate spacing and alignment, thanks to its indicator lines and viewing window. Then we have the steel anvil. This is a heavy-duty surface that provides maximum stability. It's especially useful if you're a lighter stamper or if you don't have access to a solid workbench. You'll also find a rubber pad that goes underneath the anvil to help protect your surface. The last two items in the box are the adapter and the titanium test strip. The Deluxe Titanium Seed Stamping Kit is currently priced at $216, but with my promo code CryptoSnake you get 15% off, bringing the price down to $183. Link in the description. Now let me show you how to use the kit. I'll stamp the word CryptoSnake. I had a camera on a tripod in front of me to help with alignment. Perfect result. StampSeed is a very reliable and simple kit that's easy to use. I use it myself. All plates are made of titanium, which is fire resistant and can withstand temperatures of up to 3000 Fahrenheit, about 3 times hotter than a typical house fire. They're also crush-proof and non-corrosive. The natural oxide layer protects against moisture, saltwater acids, and rust. StampSeed plates are built to last for generations. For more great products, check out the CryptoSnake deals page, where you can find the best discounts on conference tickets and crypto gear. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you later.
I'ma keep it a stack. People doubted my talent, really just wanted me to react. Perseverance ain't what I lack. Haters see you've got potential, then they've got something against you. Always have an opinion and hoping that it offends you.